back to my channel. My name is Taika, but you can call me Ty. Hi. Remember to like and subscribe. Please subscribe. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. And I'm trying to get there by the end of the year. So, So today, we are going to... We are going to Scotiabank to renew my car. We're going to see how long it takes. And as usual, I'm going to be taking you guys along. So I know in progressive, obviously. I'm gonna try it. Snack. We're gonna find one. I'll work with this. So this is my favorite drink. Calico Jack. And that's my lunch for today. Hey guys, I'm finally home. I did get my Scotia card. It's not in here right now because I don't want to accidentally leak my card. Yeah, because I know who I am. But the process never too long at all. I went there around 9 a.m. and literally about 30 something minutes and I was out. I was so shocked. Kind of when I got bank, it's a world day thing, but it looks like finally Jamaica is progressing, because you know when I forgot bank, you spend the whole day going to left at 2 o'clock. I love how we're progressing. I love that for us. So all they wanted was my ID and TRN. They never want a birth certificate or a left kidney. Surprising. Very surprising. Love that for us. Really do. What happened to my card? To my card, so I entered the number wrong multiple times and I believed it was right because my NCB has that passcode, but I was using my Scotia card. So I'm like, how the hell is it not going to? But that wasn't my Scotia passcode. That was my NCB passcode. Yeah. So now I officially change it to the same passcode. Yeah. So that we don't get mixed up anymore. We don't get confused anymore. So that's all the updates for today. Got my card. Let's continue with the rest of the video. Bye. So it's time for dinner. As you know, I'm a very much a night person. As you can see, it's dark. It's after 7 and we're making dinner right now. So today we're doing curry chicken and rice. You know, everybody's favorite, like curry chicken and rice. So yeah, that's the vibe. So let's get into it.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit.
So for me, I burn the curry as well as adding into the chicken while seasoning. I feel like it works out better this way, for me at least. And then, add the chicken, turn it a couple times, cover it up, dub. And then I cover the pot to let it bring its own water. Yeah, I feel like that way the flavor kind of locked in a little bit more. Steam the curry rice, I look about here, I don't cook rice. Then I add the seasonings and some water. Let it simmer down, and babes, that's it. That's dinner. As you can see, dinner was served. Dinner was delicious. It's Jamaica's favorite dinner. Like, everybody love curry. I don't know what it is. I like curry. It's not like my favorite thing, to be very honest, but if I ask most people, it's a curry thing. I'm surprised it's not a national dish, because people don't go for ackee and saltfish. I couldn't go for curry chicken at my rice. You know what I'm saying? So it was a 10 out of 10, as you can see. Yeah. What I wish I had was potato and carrots. I didn't have those on deck, so I just used what I had, as you can see. But it made sense. It worked out. It tastes really, really good. Rice with shelley, meat was well seasoned. Alright, yeah. You know what I want to talk about? Social media. Like, have you realized that when you scroll on TikTok, you just rot in bed? Like, I realized that for myself. So I hardly scroll on TikTok. I hardly open TikTok unless I'm searching for something. As my search, people just come off. I search, I don't scroll after, I just come off because I get stuck. And I keep scrolling and scrolling, and then the time goes by and I'm lost. It's been 2 hours scrolling. After I finish scrolling, I feel like shit because I wasted my day, wasted my time, and I felt like I was just rotting. And I just feel bad. I get a bad feeling. Do you guys get that? That's what I get when I watch it. I don't like it. TikTok is great, but sometimes it can be overwhelming if you can't control what you're consuming. Like me, I can't really control it, and then you can't really regulate how you feel because you scroll and you see something sad and you cry. You scroll something happy and you're happy. It's like a roller coaster of emotions. You know, I think going forward, what we should do, us, is regulate our time on social media, because if you don't watch it well, like if you don't watch yourself, you'd realize that you're wasting a lot of time on social media. Yeah, that's my 2 cents for today. That's what my realization is. Like, if you don't regulate your time, manage your time well, it can take away your whole day, and that's not a good thing. I remember the days when we used to go on social media for fun. Like, I was in high school when it was just Facebook and I think Musical.ly and stuff. I was banned from going on social media. I couldn't go on Facebook. I was such a nerd in high school, bro. I didn't have Facebook. I didn't have no social media. I think it was late, like in grade 10, grade 11, when I had Snapchat. Very sad. But it used to be a place where we just go and we post and we just take pictures and come off. It's not something that we do. Like, we just get up and we'll just do. It's like a activity in itself. You know, so you don't come home and you watch TV and like get out with your friends, you do some fun activity. No, it's just like every chance we get, we're scrolling. It's not good. It's not good at all. Like, I try to regulate my time on social media. I mostly watch a lot of YouTube videos. Maybe that's why I create more on here, because I watch what I create. So I watch lots of vlogs. I watch it mostly from an editing perspective. I'm like, oh, I learned a transition. Where can I find it? Stuff like that. And I find it better than TikTok in a sense. Not gonna lie, like sometimes I'm tired of YouTube and I scroll slow on TikTok. It's like the dopamine come off because you get lost. You get lost in time. I feel so bad after watching it. I hope I'm not the only one that thinks like this. But I don't want to make this video too long. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was more of a visual diary. I didn't talk much really, but I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you subscribe, become part of the tribe. Bye guys.